Hi guys, my name is Chris from Bish's RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. I got to show you one heck of an awesome diesel. It's a 6.7 liter diesel with a Freightliner chassis. This is a 2022 Jayco 37K. I think this is an awesome rig, and if you got a big family and you want to take the kids and the grandkids and everybody goes and has a blast, this thing can do it and do it in style. Let's come take a look. Nice TV outside here, so you can do some tailgating, watch movies outside, entertain. Everyone loves that. What I think is really cool about these is you can sleep a lot of people. So you've got this area set up right here. This can come down into place. Got a place for a ladder to pop up in there. But when you're driving and you want to be able to just get down here without bonking your head, this can go out of the way. The window can come up. You got lots of little places where the people who are sleeping up here, they can plug in their phones, put their devices, their drinks, little places they can put things, a little privacy, curtain. Really fantastic if you want to sleep a few people up here. And check out this cockpit in here, everything that you would want. Really nice seating, very spacious, and a blast to drive one of these things. You're gonna love it. Lots of power. Check this out. I think this is great. Whenever you have a rig that you're actually going to bring other people with you and maybe sleep them, one of the things that's really important is you have a place to put their gear. So right here you see that there's a place for 4 different people to store their gear if they want. You could use this for a pantry or food or anything you want, but I think it's really great because I don't like to see a bunch of duffel bags and stuff hanging out, laying all over the place, because this is so beautiful. You don't want to see all that. So you can tuck everything away right in here really nicely, and that'll make mom happy. Now take a look right here. We've got this set up. It's your dinette, but we have it set up as a bed, so you can see that you could sleep a few people there too as well. Moving right along, we've got this wonderful reclining sofa. It's got seat belts in it, so everybody can be reclining, watching TV, enjoying the space. And you're going to see that underneath this TV also, there's a place here for more equipment if you want to hook things in, video game machines, satellite, whatever. You also do have a beautiful electric fireplace that puts off heat. Couple little places up here for some extra items as well. Now you have a Norcold refrigerator. I love the fact that they actually matched this wood in here. It looks so beautiful. And check that out. Tons of space for food and popsicles. What you're going to need if you have a bunkhouse and you're going with a lot of people, you're going to need a lot of food. Nobody wants to stop at the grocery store on the daily, so this allows you to take everything. And you have your true induction stove, your convection microwave oven, and look at all this storage you've got up here, down below. Nice deep storage, place to put pots and pans. You've got a sink, stainless steel all-one sink with a sprayer, and a little flip-up extra counter space if you need it, with, again, more drawers. Lots of great storage in this thing. Don't you love these accent lights? They just do a beautiful job on these. You've even got a clock. But when you're on vacation, who's caring about time? Nobody is. Check this out. You've got a really great bathroom in here. Everything that you need. I really like the light colors in here. It's very fashion forward. You know, we do get a lot of overcast days in the Northwest, and so sometimes having a little bit lighter interior is kind of nice for the mood. But they do a great job giving you accents of different colors, so there is contrast with a little bit darker wood in certain places, so it's not so monochromatic. Check out this master bedroom. Now we have a slider door right here. And you're going to see a beautiful king-size bed. It tilts up for your comfort so you can watch TV. Oh, and we have one right here. And there's plenty of places to put your clothes. You've got more hanging space here to put your clothes to, or if you would like to have a combo washer and dryer, or just one that, or two separate ones, stackable ones, you can put them in here. And so that is awesome. If you don't want that, you just get a bunch of extra space, which a lot of people love. And I'm going to show you this bathroom real quick here. Glass, walk-in shower. Really, really nice. You won't miss the hotel at all in this thing. And you've got everything that you need right back here in this rear bath. What an awesome coach. This could be the coach for your family, the one that you've been dreaming about, and we just happen to have a brand new one right here. I would love to show this to you. Maybe let you take it out on a test drive. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? So give me a call. You can call me on my personal cell phone, 541-636-7878. I work right here at the Junction City lot. I sell stuff all over the nation. It'd be very simple to either sell this to you so you could come get it right away, or if you want to come check it out and take it for a test drive first, whatever I can do to help, let me know. I'm here to help you. My name is Chris Bystad. Thanks.